Can? Yes, today is Mr. Nelson Mandela's birthday. So I will be delivering a speech on him, a brief description about Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was born on 18 July 1918 in South Africa, and he died on 5th December 2013 at the age of 95. Now, ninth क्लास में जो बच्चे होंगे उन्होंने एक चैप्टर पढ़ा होगा या अब पढ़ेंगे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिज़ाइन एंड जो 10th में है उन्होंने शायद पढ़ ही लिया होगा अ लॉन्ग वॉक टू फ्रीडम नेल्सन मंडेला इंग्लिश में. So he was the one and the most able, efficient, and far-sighted leaders of the African National Congress. He fought against injustice happening with the black people. It was under his leadership that all the people जो सफ़र कर रहे थे because जो Britishers थे वो उनको suppress कर रहे थे just because they were black. Under his leadership, the racial system reached its climax, and he worked very hard for it. And due to his massive participation against this racial system, he was sentenced to life imprisonment in 1964, and he had to spend 28 years of his life in prison. And hell is the way those people tortured him, both physically and mentally. But 28 साल जेल में रहने के बाद भी नेल्सन मंडेला ने अपने ऊपर एक होप नहीं छोड़ी. उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, मैं कितने भी साल जेल में रहूं लेकिन मैं अपने देश को आज़ाद करवा के ही रहूंगा. He believed a winner is a dreamer who never gives up, and he indeed was a dreamer. He was the country's first black head of the state and the first elected in a fully representative democratic election. जब वहाँ पे डेमोक्रेसी आई, जब साउथ अफ्रीका में डेमोक्रेसी आई एंड इलेक्शंस हुए, तब नेल्सन मंडेला को मैक्सिमम वोट मिले एंड ही बिकेम द फर्स्ट ब्लैक प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका. Mr. Mandela had won over 260 awards in his life, including Sakharov Prize in 1988, Bharat Ratna in 1990, Nobel Peace Prize in 1993, Lenin Peace Prize in 1990, and Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2002. So, इस चीज़ का conclusion क्या है? Like he had suffered a lot in his life, लेकिन फिर भी he was one of the most forgiving, merciful person. He कोई भी इंसान है, he believed that resentment is like drinking poison and hoping that it will kill your enemies. Like उन्होंने believe किया कि अगर हम हमारे साथ कोई बुरा करता है तो अगर हम उसके साथ सेम चीज़ ही कर देंगे तो इट इज़ लाइक कि हम खुद गलत कर रहे हैं और सोच रहे हैं कि वो इंसान सुधर जाए. नहीं, he believed that is the wrong way. He believed that the brave man is not the one who does not feel afraid, but he is the one who conquers the fear. So, thank you everyone, and I hope you learned a lot.